on Frog Tech Tips. Today we have probably most interesting phones on the planet, which is Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha 5G. This phone will be cost about $3,000 and Xiaomi said will be only 500 units made. That means if you are interested on this phone, be quick because coming on the December and it's really just limited edition probably. And this phone will be coming on this huge box. Once as soon as open the box, there will be another box which will be revealing absolutely nice and cool box, golden desk. It will be after that take it off the monster, which is Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha all wrap display. This phone looks awesome and it's absolutely brilliant. It's 108% ratio display, bezel-less display, real bezel-less phone, unbelievable. Xiaomi used the most premium materials on the planet as well, I think, and look at that, this phone is absolutely bezel-less. There is no need any physical button and phone looks amazing. Actually, I'm not sure how this phone will be operate or how it will be work. It will be touched on the side and push some button accidentally, not sure, but if it will be work absolutely fine. That's brilliant because it looks nice. Volume button and everything will be just only on display. Once you turn out, there's another display where you can set up any widget and stuff like this. Also on the box you get all usual stuff like special case made for this absolutely phone, which looks like a small book, and also a couple of adapters for headphones and stuff like that. Yeah, it's brilliant. Be quick, this phone is absolutely amazing, and because the limited edition, remember, some said probably will make just only 500 phones, which cost 3,000. Brilliant. And also Xiaomi order from the Samsung for this phone 108 megapixel camera, which is absolutely amazing. Look at this sample. This sample looks really nice and sharp. The left side 108 megapixel picture and 8 times zooms. It's super clear picture. It's super nice. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to click like, share and wait for the other news from Xiaomi maybe. See you guys.